Hi, I'm Seth with Wired Customs, and as you know, the holidays are approaching fast, and what better way to enjoy the season than to get into the spirit of giving? That is why we are giving away a free copy of either Battlefield 5 or Forza Horizon 4. To enter for a chance to win, all you have to do is go to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/wiredcustoms, and hit subscribe, and then go to our Facebook page, facebook.com/wiredcustomscoppell, and hit like. On December 8th, we will be announcing when and where the giveaway will take place, so stay tuned and good luck.